Hello, welcome to Dimple's and Arabian journey. And today's unique recipe is kids special, that is Kitkat chocolate milkshake. So this particular Kitkat milkshake recipe was actually demanded by my kids. So let's get started. Do not forget to have a look onto the description box for the ingredient details. So let's get started, and the very first ingredient, that is KitKat chocolate bar, around 6 to 8 pieces, roughly around 5 to 6 scoops of ice cream, that is chocolate ice cream. You can either opt for vanilla, but for the color wise chocolate would be better. Warm water, slightly warm water, around 50 to 100 ml. This is instant NESCAFE powder. You can either use any other brands. This is chocolate syrup, 3 to 4 tablespoons of chocolate syrup for decoration. So the ice cubes are roughly around 5 to 6 pieces. Cocoa powder is just 1 tablespoon, but I've used just 1 teaspoon. Cocoa powder is optional, however it gives a unique taste. And 2.5 cup of chilled cold milk, around 500 ml exactly. Please save around 2 pieces of chocolate, the KitKat chocolate, for decoration. Please don't add the ice cream beforehand. To increase the volume of the milkshake, ice cream should be always added at last. So this is completely optional. This is just for a decoration part, which I wanted to do it as we have been served similarly in the restaurant. So this is just a restaurant look. I just wanted to make it look good. You can just skip this part, but if you want to just give it a swirl, add in few of the spoons of chocolate syrup and just swirl around. Just look at it. Look at the volume of the milkshake. This is done, blended to perfect. For many such recipes out of the box, stay connected to Dimples and Arabian Journey. And don't forget to subscribe us. Hope you all enjoyed watching my video today. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Also do connect us on our Facebook and Instagram page by following the hashtag Flora and Aroma. Thank you so much.